Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to make this delicious spicy sweet chili chicken wings recipe. It's a full step-by-step recipe that you don't want to miss, so if you're interested in seeing more, keep on watching. So to get started, I have 11 beautiful chicken wings. It's already washed and cleaned. That's what it looks like. We're going to go in and season these beautiful wings with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to give that a nice mix. And then we're going to add our garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, all-purpose seasoning, fine sea salt, ground black pepper, and we're going to continue with this delicious recipe. Now we are going to place these beautiful wings on our baking tray. In the meantime, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. That's what the wings looks like. It's nice and beautiful. We're going to set them to bake for 40 to 45 minutes while we get our sauce ready. So to make the sauce, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pot. That's what the butter looks like. We're going to go in with 2 teaspoons of honey, next we're going to add our chili sauce to the pot as well. Next, we're going to give that a very nice mix. Make sure the butter on the chili sauce is fully incorporated. Now we're going to add some flavor with our all-purpose seasoning. Now we're going to go in with a splash of sesame seed and mix very well. Then we're going to simmer for about 30 seconds. Now we are going to remove these beautiful wings from the oven. We're going to coat our wings into this delicious chili sauce. Once the wings are fully coated into the sauce, we're going to place the wings back into the oven for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'm going to show you guys what these beautiful wings looks like. So this is what these beautiful wings looks like. It came out absolutely gorgeous. So I went ahead and garnished with some fresh spring onion and also some sesame seeds, and that's what these beautiful wings looks like. It was delicious. It was juicy in the inside, crunchy on the outside. I hope you guys enjoy watching this recipe. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients used, and I hope to see you beautiful friends in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. I love you guys. See you guys next time. Thanks guys. Bye.